at the California Science Center, where we are hosting Mummies of the World.
It's actually a return engagement. We did the world premiere of this exhibit in 2010. It's traveled all over the US and Europe since then.
Now it's come back to Los Angeles for the closing show, which is wonderful. We're fortunate to have several new specimens that have never been shown before in Los Angeles.
We have mummies here from Hungary, Germany, Peru. We have a lizard, we have a sloth head, we've got a cat.
It's a very powerful learning experience.
Science tells us a lot. We have mummies that were found in a church crypt in Hungary and found that a large percentage of them had tuberculosis. 2 weeks ago at Keck USC, we did scans of these two Egyptian priest mummies that are a couple thousand plus years old, and we're able to learn new information that is still going to be studied.
We have really high resolution 320 slice scanners over at our hospital, and so that's really one of the highest resolutions that we've ever seen on a mummy scan. So one of the things that we found on this mummy here is Nesman. He was a bit of the younger individual. He actually had a collapsed vertebra here, and so he probably had a lot of lower back pain.
And there's a small hole in his back that appears to be made by humans that could have indicated some of the earliest surgeries performed to treat a back condition.
When you learn about the sore backs and use the toothaches and the things you can identify with, they no longer become objects and they become real people, and you connect with them.
Southern California has an incredible museum community. We also have an incredibly rich and continuing history of doing great science work. It's really great to be part of that.
It's just such an honor to be able to work at a place that allows us to work together. I mean, you don't get that anywhere else.
Strong emotions make memorable experiences. And when you combine science with how it relates to the individual and it touches their heart, that is the best way to create memorable science learning. And that's the mission of the California Science Center.